Many homes feel plain and disconnected, lacking flow and personality. This one uses a modern contemporary style with clean lines, cozy textures, and light colors to make the space warm and functional. So, you want to have good interior design? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Even small changes in color, materials, and layout can make your space feel connected. From the living and dining areas to the kitchen, every piece can serve a purpose while making your home look stylish and complete. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. Follow us for more home transformation.